Hello, we have two NORSOK Z15 compliant units nearing completion. This is a high pressure pump unit capable of pumping 82 litres per minute of water at 1100 bar. And in our other test bay is a vacuum unit with a performance of up to 2,270 cubic feet per minute or up to 800 millibar. Both units will operate in an ATEX Zone 2 hazardous area. And now on to the NORSOK features. There is a fire suppression system and a gas monitoring system. This box monitors and controls both the fire and gas systems and includes an override facility. These three fire extinguishers supply the suppressant for the automatic fire suppression system. This portable fire extinguisher is a requirement of NORSOK. It is positioned next to the control panel during unit operation. Both units feature extensive noise attenuation through a special silencer and these very effective noise attenuation panels. A 35-metre signal cable allows connection from the container to the central control room, and there is a power cable fitted with a coupler suitable for the 240-volt AC yellow alert remote shutdown connection. The control panel houses manual activation controls for the fire suppression system. The fire and gas systems have a sounder and beacon for audio and visual warnings. All labelling is in Norwegian and English. All design and manufacture took place here at our factory in Worcester, and the units have just been tested in these purpose-built test facilities. For more information, search the internet for Calder NORSOK.